Microsoft Word for Office 365 has a number of accessibility features that can support people with visual or learning difficulties, as well as those learning English or another language. To access these features, open a Word document in Microsoft Word. This process is different depending on whether you're using the desktop app, the web version, or the version built into Teams. I find the web version much easier to use, so we'll use that. To open a document online, go to office.com and log in with your account details. Select Microsoft Word from the left-hand side and look for your document. If your document is not on OneDrive, you will need to upload it. Once your document is open, go to View and select Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader spaces words out to make them easier to read. You can even have the computer read the document aloud.
Animal Farm by George Orwell. Mr. Jones, of the Manor Farm, had locked the hen houses for the night, but was too drunk to remember to shut the potholes.
You can adjust the speed and gender of the voice.
The potholes. With the ring of light from his lantern dancing from side to side, he lurched across the yard, kicked off his boots at the back door, drew himself a last glass of beer from the barrel in the scullery, and made his way up to bed, where Mrs. Jones was already snoring.
If the default black text on a white background is difficult to read, you can adjust the settings by clicking the AA icon in the top right. Here, you can increase the text size, the font, and the colours without affecting the original document. Grammar options allow you to break words into syllables for practicing pronunciation or highlighting nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. In reading preferences, you can enable line focus, the picture dictionary, and translation, either by word or the entire document. The picture dictionary, which is enabled by default, helps lower-level readers by providing illustrations for some words. Here you can also listen to individual words.
Platform.
Learning a foreign language, Microsoft Word may speak that too. In this example, we have some text from Don Quixote in Spanish. Microsoft Word will read it in a natural-sounding voice.
En un lugar de la Mancha, de cuyo nombre no quiero acordarme, no ha mucho tiempo que vivía un hidalgo de los de lanza en astillero, adarga antigua, rocín flaco y galgo corredor.
This can also be slowed down if the text is difficult to understand.
Una olla de algo más vaca que carnero, salpicón las más noches.
Turning on translations by word will also help you to understand new words and phrases that you may not recognize. To return to the document, simply press the back arrow at the top of the page. The process for accessing these features in the desktop version and the version built into Teams is similar, but you'll find that some of the icons are in different places or have different names. You can still access them via the View menu in either application.